My name's Scott and I'm from AAA FNQ Battery Wholesalers in Cairns, and today we're going to be showing you how to change a flat battery in a vehicle. So step one, locate the battery. So we found it here. So first of all we need to remove the negative terminal of the battery. So you'll probably find most of them 10mm nut. So we'll remove that. So that's fairly straightforward. Second, we'll remove the positive, and just remember to keep the terminals away from the battery when you. So the next step, we'll remove the bracket that's holding the battery into the vehicle, and again they're usually a 10mm nut there as well. So that's fairly straightforward, and that bracket just comes off. Remove the battery. So insert the new battery. Now just take note of where the positive and the negative terminals are. Just make sure they're around the same way as the old battery you removed. So then we'll put the clamp back on. Okay, so we'll now put the terminals back on. Okay, so it's opposite to the way you took them off, so we'll put the positive on first. And that just stops the circuit from being made, so there's no sparks. So we tighten that one up. Then we pop the negative on last. So then just make sure everything's tight. The negatives are tight, the positives tight, the battery's tight. So everything's tight, and that's it. Battery complete and changed. Thanks for watching.